Here's how your child can get started with GenieSmart. Our AI personalized worksheet generator tailored to effectively target each student's mastery of all subjects. To begin, select a worksheet of their subject choice from the GenieSmart tab. Click Create New Worksheet to select the preferred worksheet type. We recommend your child to start with the Master worksheet, as this will allow for the AI-powered algorithm used by GenieSmart to assess their strengths and weaknesses. Click here to preview some sample questions of what to expect in the chosen worksheet. Do note that each worksheet can only be generated as a master worksheet once. When your child is ready to tackle a topic, click Generate Worksheet. They can proceed to generate customized worksheets where they can practice up to any 3 combinations of topics. Or they can leave it to our AI to select the topics instead. Revision worksheets are also available to help review questions that your child has answered incorrectly. Similar questions will be generated to help reinforce their learnings from previous mistakes. Once the GenieSmart worksheet has been created, click to open it. To check out the full list of multiple choice or structured questions in the worksheet, simply expand the question list menu. As you go through the worksheet, GenieSmart's intelligent marking system will display the correct answer for the applicable questions. An explanation for the solution will also appear to help your child understand the question better. For structured questions, your child may type their answers via the free response section or via the drawing tool. Click on the pen icon to open up a blank canvas. To work on the question in canvas mode, you can minimize it or insert the question into your editable section. Draw on the canvas by clicking on the pen tool, or erase your drawing with the eraser tool. The redo or undo button can be used to quickly remove or repeat your last action. Texts can also be added by clicking on the text tool, with the option to resize or recolor. Click on the Shapes or Line tool to draw diagrams. Similarly, your child can resize or change the color of the shapes. To delete a shape, simply click on it and press the Delete button. If your child wishes to start over, they can discard their drawing by clicking the bin icon. Once they are satisfied with their work, they can submit their answer for marking via clicking on Save Canvas and the Submit button at the bottom. Your child can track their marks and bubbles with each correctly answered question at the top right corner of their worksheets. They will receive the bubbles once they finish the worksheet. Once they have completed their worksheet, questions that are not auto-marked will be sent to Geniebook teachers for marking. When reviewing worksheets, the grey clock icon indicates that a teacher has yet to mark the question, which may take up to 3 working days. While marking, teachers will provide feedback on how to improve on incorrect answers. Your child can check on their worksheet progress at the bottom of the page or via the question list menu. To check on how well they are doing, click Progress on the navigation panel. Your child can use the progress chart to track their growth over a span of up to 3 months. Simply scroll down to see a breakdown of their scores across their subjects and topics. Your child can check out the topics they are strong or weak in via clicking Strongest Topics or Weakest Topics. We recommend that they generate more worksheets to practice topics that they are weaker in. Your child can select up to 3 topics to display on the progress chart by ticking the Select button. That brings us to the end of this walkthrough. We hope that this guide has helped you and your child to understand how you can easily practice on GenieSmart worksheets and track study progress. Don't forget to check out our videos on how you can use Genie Ask or Genie Class to further enhance your child's learning journey. Happy studying!